Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So many of my subscribers have been asking for an update on the best Uber Eats promo codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching all of the websites on Google and also watched other YouTube videos. Most of the codes are either expired or they give you very little. I've actually managed to find a $100 Uber Eats promo code that you can redeem, and this works worldwide. So it doesn't matter if you're in the US, UK, Europe, wherever, guys. This is going to supply your Uber Eats account with a $100 balance. So yeah, these Uber Eats discount codes are the best ones, and there's no like limitations, so there's no like minimum order or anything. You can literally apply this code and it's going to add $100 to your balance or whatever that is in your local currency. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone to get this Uber Eats promo code. So I'm using an iPhone, and you've got to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to a codes website. Now, as you can see, they have mostly game codes. I'm personally not a gamer myself, so but some of you may enjoy those codes as well. But I do recommend you just search in the search bar at the top for Uber Eats. Oops, make sure you can actually type. That's the issue of looking through the camera. Uber Eats. So this is the page you need to find, guys, and there is only one code, so there's no confusion on which code to choose. There is a Uber Eats promo code for $100 account credit, and it does exactly what it says, guys. You redeem this code in your Uber Eats app and it is going to supply your account with $100. Now, as you can see, these are limited codes. There's 397 remaining. So what this is going to do, this is going to allocate you one of those codes. And because this is a $100 code, you do need to unlock it, and this basically verifies you as a real person. Obviously, if they didn't implement this step, that means people would steal like hundreds of these codes. So what you need to do is click on this button and simply follow the instructions on this page here, guys. It does take about 5 minutes, but I think it's worth it considering you're getting a $100 code. So as you can see, it says complete 2 of the offers below, and that is going to unlock your code. And it's very important you follow the instructions below each one. So you're going to have a list of tasks. Sorry, guys. They're all going to be completely free. You just need to choose 2 of them, making sure you follow the instructions below each one. I'm just going to skip forward. Like I said, I have already done this, and it does limit 1 code per user. But yeah, if you do that and complete 2 tasks, your Uber Eats promo code will be revealed. And you can grab it, redeem it in the app, and that is going to give you $100 account credit. So definitely the best Uber Eats promo code, guys. Go to Crash Coupons and then navigate your way to the Uber Eats code page. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure you do like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and I'll see you in my next video.